Hello, so let's continue where we just end on $205. So let's see if we'll flip it to like 400 and something like that. Okay, so I wanted to take this trade to buy to this area, but it will be wise for me to enter this trade here, because if market is trending down, it's much better to go with the trend than to go against the trend. So I think I will risk a little bit, like $5 on this one here, like $5 on this one, like $5, 500 to buy this one. But for this one, I think I want to use, like, I want to increase my lot size from now on to use $20 to get like flip. So I have like, let me see if it will ever play well. Oh man, so I just take my oh no, the chart is going. Oh, the chart is going while when ads, okay, I think it just stopped. So the $5 just target like $11, because that's not the main entry. The main entry, I just risk 20 to get $80. So let's see if one of it will ever be triggered. Oh yeah, so yeah, it's already been triggered. So let's see. Okay, stop loss hitted for the $5. We're in 200. So let's see if the market will ever come back to that area here. There, let me increase and see. Let me close this. Okay, and it's eventually pushed down. We missed that trade. So I don't want to look at 1 hour to see what is happening, but from here I'll just look the break of structure, then to see if I will ever catch that movement ever again. So from now on, the lot size I will be using will be 20. So a break of structure didn't happen. Let me look for break of structure to the, okay, now we want to look for buys, because market has already break this structure, but the price is still strong. But I want to target here to here, risk 20. Very tight one, because the candles are very strong. I don't recommend someone trading with this kind of strength, but boom, I knew it, something gonna happen, because this was very strong. So let's proceed with I will put the stop loss up here. I want to put it here, but this is just a wick. I will put it there, but I don't know where should I target my TP, because actually I can't see exactly what is happening back here unless I just look at 1 hour, and in order for me to see where should I put my TP, somewhere around there will be fine. So let's wait and see how this will happen. So risking 20 again. You see we are already down like 20%. Let's see. Boom, we are open and we are stopped out like that. I think we are almost stopped out. Yeah, that consolidation is not really good. That is like market is trying to reverse or something. So let's see. Okay, now okay, like market has already break this structure and has already pulled back to this area. Now I think this will be a good time for me to add position, because it's giving me more confirmation, like, hey, maybe this will be perfect entry. So I think I'll just enter another position from there to here, and I will risk again $20. I'll remain with 40 if this didn't go to my way, but I think, yeah, it's not bad for me. Okay, all of them have been triggered. Let's see how will it play. So I'm like perfect to there, like I'm in 20 and 28. So one of it I will bring it somewhere around here, risking securing 15. Another one I'll bring it there, securing like 10, 15. Nah, is not wise. Okay, then let me play it and see. Boom. So we are up again. We are up again, which is not bad. I want to re-enter right away here because the market is still in downtrend. I want to re-enter somewhere around here because market is in validation X. Sometimes market won't come back to this area, but I will just risk it like the same way I risk it. This will be fine, or somewhere around here because it can come and swap the liquidity. Risk 24 risk 24.61 place the trade right away and see how it will happen. Let's see. Okay, let's pause and let's discuss something here. Now this is like a break of structure, something which break this structure at this level. That's why market come to act here, but it could be wise for me if I want to enter buy position from this level instead of that level. So I think here will be like my TP because market is like already shift the trend. So let's see if market will ever come down. Okay, let's see, market almost come down. Yeah, I think we are not alert, but market come down to that level there, then it went up, which is not bad because it gives us more confirmation that the market has changed the structure. So here the fair value gap, but here the fair value gap, which will give us like very tight stop loss, $20. We'll risk $20 for this trade. Oh yeah, to get 70. Let's play out if it will ever come down. Will it ever come down? Let me increase like the speed. No way. So market has already break the structure to the downtrend. A lot of consolidation. I want to enter a crazy position here, targeting here. I want to enter this position here. Let me enter this. Why did I say it's crazy position? I just see the break of structure down here. There is a good break of structure like this one. You can see it quite well. Then market came back. Oh no, I'm talking about this one. I'm talking about this, not this one. This one up here. Market is in uptrend, then break the structure. Market is a little bit reduce the momentum. So let me see if it will play as I wanted. We're in $5 profit. Yeah, we're in $10, $19. This was good entry. Let me put it break even, like $6 secured. Let me see if it's boom. It just take us out, but not quite bad. So here I want to enter again. Come back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to perfect. So remember, right now we need to flip 200 to 400. So let's see if we ever flip it. Let's see. Now the same thing here. I want to enter here, put my stop loss up here. This is like 1:2, 1:3 entry to target there, risking 26 point what, 26 on dot. I'm not so sure about this one. Let's wait and see, but I think, yeah, let's see. Okay, now actually we are just $8 profit, but let's look at the structure. I hate this time. I want something which run a little slow in order to see the market very clearly. So market has already break no, I think it's going now our way. Let's wait and see. I think it will go to our way. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see how will it play out. No way. Okay, so it just step us out again like that. Let me close this market is in consolidation state right now. As you can see, this zone, these zones were like very strong ones. Now for this one here, if it wipe me out this one and wipe me out this one, I think we'll go back to 100, because for this kind of trade I'm going for 30. I'm going for 30 straight. Let me see. If it wipes us out, we will re-enter again at the top there. Now, perfect. So we are just like 30 there, and we will re-enter this one here. All the stop loss above this zone here. And guys, this is what we call revenge trading. Is not allowed at all. If you try to revenge with the market, you will lose all your money, trust me. So let's see how this will play out. Let's see. Okay, I think we're just wiped out like that. So we didn't respect the trend. That's why, because if we could respect the trend, we could see, hey, this is one big uptrend, like one big uptrend, very big uptrend. But we were taking the reversal, which make us blow the account to $70. As you can see, 70. How comes it took us 70 while we? Anyway, back to $70. Yo, let's see if we will ever be able to flip it back again. Let's see. I want to put like stop loss somewhere around here, target somewhere around there. Let me see what is happening here. Let me take 10 for now. That's my bad to risk the account. Let's see. Okay, we are 18 plus. Okay, market is like reversing right now. Okay, we are like above. I don't want to lose anymore, so let me protect like $10. Let me protect like $10. Boom. So it just swipe us out, then it push up. Okay, not bad. We are in 80. So let's grow this account slowly. Okay, and it's still going up like that. So that's area. I think this area was a little bit tough. I think this area was a little bit tough. So let me see if the market will ever break the structure and everything. So for this one here, I want to enter another risk trade, whereby I put here stop loss there. I will be target like down here. So let me see if I will be able to catch that large movement of what, of 30, and I will remain with 50, which is like I'll be back to where I was last time. Yeah, so let me see if it will ever go to my way. Okay, let's see. So it's like market respected that area. Will it? No, it didn't respect. So we are officially back at $50. We are officially back at $50. So from the next video, we are going again to flip $50 to $100. So yeah, that's the reality of trading. So for today, let's end here and we'll proceed in the next video.